This is Lab 22, Example 7. We want to sketch the graph of the circle x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 4y is equal to 1. This equation of this circle is in standard form. And to sketch the graph of a circle, it's best if we know the center and radius of a circle. And in order to know that, we should rewrite this in the center radius form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where our center is the point hk and our radius is r. So first we need to rewrite this equation like this before we can even get to sketching. And we're going to have to notice first that we have two perfect squares in this format that we don't have up here. So we're going to have to complete the squares of both our x group and our y group. So we're going to create two groups with our x's and another group with our y's. And to complete the square, we're going to add something to each of these polynomials. So we have x squared plus 4x plus some number we don't know yet. And for our y polynomial, we have y squared minus 4y plus some number we also don't know yet is equal to 1. So to figure out what these numbers are respectively, we need to follow the equation or the formula of b divided by 2 squared. This b refers to where we normally see polynomials in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So it's referring to the second number b right here. So our b for our x polynomial is 4, and our b for our y polynomial is negative 4 respectively. So figuring out this number, b divided by 2 squared, for our x polynomial that's going to be 4 divided by 2 squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 squared is 4, so this number here is 4. For our y polynomial, our b is negative 4, so we have negative 4 divided by 2 squared. Negative 2 divided by 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So this number here is also 4. So before we do anything else, however, we need to realize that we have an equation, which means our left-hand side needs to be the same as our right-hand side. We just added two numbers, 4 and 4, to our left-hand side. If we want this equality to remain equal, we need to do it to the same, everything we do to the left-hand side, we need to do to the right-hand side. So if we add 4 and 4 to our left-hand side, we need to add 4 and 4 to our right-hand side as well, so that this equality remains true. So now that we have done that, we are going to factor these two polynomials. X squared plus 4x plus 4 factored is the same thing as x plus 2 squared, and y squared minus 4y plus 4 is the same thing as x minus 2 squared. And then adding 1 plus 4 plus 4, this is equal to 9. So we're getting closer to our center radius form. The only thing left to do is to write everything in terms of negatives inside of our square roots, and for us to rewrite our number here in terms of something squared. So this is the same thing as x minus negative 2 squared. We don't need to do anything to, oh, this is a y, excuse me. And this is the same thing as y minus 2 squared. And rewriting 9 as something squared, this is 3 squared. So our center is hk, and in this we have negative 2 and positive 2. So our center is negative 2 and positive 2. Our radius from our format is something squared, which is r, which is 3, so our radius is 3. So now we can graph our circle. We have our center is negative 2, 2. So we have negative 2 going left 2, up 2, up 2. This is our center at the point negative 2, 2. And our radius is 3. So from this point we're going to go outwards 3 in all directions. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then all of these little points we're going to connect as best we can so that it looks like a circle. There we go.